Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to record WhatsApp group call or individual calls on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is open your Google Play Store and search for this application. Once you've found that application, you have to search this name on Google Play Store and simply click on install. Now the app will start to install on your phone. Once the app has been downloaded and installed on your phone, what you have to do is simply click on open. Now the app will open and you will see this kind of interface. What you have to do is swipe right, accept terms and conditions, swipe right again, and you have to give some of the permissions to the application. So click on grant permissions, click on while using the application, click on allow, allow again. Now click on enable service. Now this page will open where you have to find out this application and click on it and turn this toggle on. Click on allow, go back, click on enable service once again. Again, this page will open. You have to swipe down and scroll down and find out the application again and enable this option as well. Click on allow and go back. Click on skip. Now you're all set. First of all, what you have to do is click on the hamburger menu, which is on the top left corner. Click on audio source and you have to select voice recognition. If this doesn't work for you, you can also select default, or you can also select voice call. So you can select different kind of, but the voice recognition works perfectly for me. So I will select voice recognition. Now after that, you have to click on the hamburger menu once again and click on settings. Now this time you have to click on audio source and click on voice call. Click on the voice call and you're all set. So make sure this toggle is turned on. Now what you have to do is simply call someone on WhatsApp, or you can ask someone to call you. Now while you're in the call, you can talk to the person and talk as much as you want. Once your call is done, you have to open the application again and you have to select this option. Click on it. It will scan there if there's any recordings. As you can see, there is the recording. If I click on it, I can play it. And that's simply how you can record WhatsApp group calls or individual calls on Android. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.